Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Smita, and today I show you unboxing of a new machine I bought for my workshop. This is a heat press to sublimate shin guards, and this is offered by PYD Life. And today we are going to print these shin guards, which have come out beautifully. So if you want to see how we can do the printing on these shin guards, personalized shin guards, the temperature, the time that we set our machine to, and the unboxing of it, follow me along. So here guys, we are with the machine now. This is a sublimation heat press machine to sublimate shin guards. It is from PYD Life. I bought this on Amazon with my own money. I will be giving the link in the description below. If you use my link to buy the machine, I do get a small commission. So do check out. Let's start our unboxing. So we have a power lead with in the box. Okay. So here is the machine, and we will go ahead, print some papers for Shin Guard design, and we'll come back. This is already set. So here is this temperature control panel, where you can set in the number of seconds and the temperature. To set the number of seconds, we are setting to 300 seconds. We press the time button, and then we press this, so it starts blinking, and then we press the plus sign to increase the seconds. We'll get it to 300 seconds. And then we set the temperature. Okay, we press the time again to set it, and we have set to 392 Fahrenheit. So we press on the temperature button, and it is 392 Fahrenheit. So we press it again to set it. Now we leave the machine to heat up, and then we'll print some shin guards and see what are the results. So here is an image that I have printed, are sample images on my sublimation paper with my Sawgrass SG 1000, which prints up to A3 plus, because I have a tray to print bigger sizes. I have used that printer. We can do a review of that printer some other day. I'm using that printer for a good 3 years now. I'm really happy with the results. So the heat press has started heating up. This is how you press on the Shin Guard, and this is how you can control the pressure that you want the Shin Guards to have. And this is a beautiful tray which can slide in and out so that you don't burn your hand. Here is the blank Shin Guard, and I'll surely give you the link to the shop that I got this from as well in my description box below. And then once this gets heated up, we'll print on this and see what the results are. So our press is ready, it is heated. I'll just trim my prints. Don't forget to remove the plastic, and then we'll try not to touch this and not to get any lint over it, so that we get a clean image. Another tip while I'm cutting this, don't touch the print when it is still wet, because if you touch it, you can get your fingertips marks on the print, and then that can show up on the Shin Guards. This is nicely dried up, and that's why I'm able to touch it. So, and also don't forget to print it mirror image, so that you get the clean right image on the Shin Guard. So we just lining it up nicely, and I have my heat tape here, trying to nice and strong. And now this is my first Shin Guard that I'm trying to print. Try to get as less folds on the paper as you can. Keep my fingers crossed. Another thing, if you want to protect the surface, always cover it up with a butter paper, a brown paper sheet to cover the surface, so that you don't ruin the surface there. And make sure that you're lining the narrower part of the Shin Guard to the narrow part of the fold. And that's it. Push the tray back in, and adjust the pressure. Keeping our fingers crossed, we wait for 300 seconds to see what we have. While that is pressing, I'll just keep my other piece ready. Hopefully we'll be fine. I see some folds, and we'll see how it comes out. I'm not sure. Usually the items that I sublimate, I make sure that there are no folds on the paper, and it's lying really flat and taut and tight on the substrate that we are sublimating. But we'll see how this is once we are done with this. Let's see. is just amazing. Let's go ahead and print our second one. I made a mistake printing the first one, that I did not cover my, see, this is the reason why you should have some kind of paper to keep your surface clean, and and I forgot to put a paper on top of it, so I'm sure there is some residue on top here, but I'll have to be careful putting my papers now next time. So let's cover the base with that again. Don't forget to line up the narrow end of the Shin Guard with the narrow edge of the tray. Push it in, cover it up with another butter paper, and you know what, I'm going to do it with a bigger paper this time. Yeah, and let's do it one more time. Let's get our gloves ready. Never use these papers. They go in the bin because they can leave mark. Let's see how this one is printed. Oh, look at that. Okay, it is a little hot. Isn't that nice? This one has gone cold. So, Shin Guards. We still have to put the padding in the back, and as a safety measure, I will always recommend, as soon as you're done printing with the Shin Guards, throw the papers needed and go ahead and switch it off. So that's our machine off. And there it is, all ready with a pad at the back, and there's our Shin Guard.